What's going on, ladies and gentlemen? Today we're going to be looking at how to change your profile picture on Facebook. It's actually pretty easy, so let's go ahead and get started. First thing you're going to do is obviously log into your Facebook and get to this home screen that I'm on right here. So you can see this is my Facebook. This is the computer I'm sitting in front of right now. I took a picture of it earlier. And so what we're going to do is we're going to change the profile. So we're going to go up here and you have options. There's a cute picture of me when I was a kid. There's my wife and my friend Camilla, and there's my son. He's fantastic. He's a great kid. All right, so let's say I want to change it. I could do an upload. Let's do an upload. Ooh, that's all my pictures. So I could change it to this photo, or you might have a lot of photos. Do whatever you got to do. There's also going to be photos of you could use. You could maybe an older profile picture. You could, I don't know, maybe you could select one of your, let's see if you can do the cover photo. Try to get both brothers and that won't work. I don't know. I can go right into a button. All right, sorry. Let's cancel out of that. All right, so either you upload or you find something in here that you want. This is my dog Henry. He's the best. This is my old car that I wish I still had. I didn't know car prices were going to go through the roof. Anyways, guys, that's how you do it. Simple as that. I'll show you. I'll actually show you. Let's go ahead and take a look. Let's say I want to switch. Wait, this is already my Facebook profile picture. Whoopsie daisies. All right. Me and my wife chilling. All right. Save it. That's us. We're going to go. Wait. And it's changed. It's that easy, guys. Thanks for watching. Subscribe if you're not subscribed.